Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. On this video, we're going to talk about momentum. Trading doesn't have to be confusing, doesn't have to take forever to learn it. You can learn to trade pretty quickly if you're using our stuff here at Trading College. Let me show you and explain what I mean by that. So everything at Trading College with our signals and strategies, green is buying, red is selling within a trend structure. So if you understand trends, we learn that, then we apply the signals, okay? The signals help us, the momentum helps us. So let's look at some trades here that our members have been looking at. Euro dollar long trade on the daily chart. Now red all the way down, green to red. So the trend is down. So we've been looking for short side trades all the way down here. Now, as we come down and we have a nice profitable trade, we get just below that that one area here, €1 to $1. We get below that area right here. Would you say that the momentum that's pushing down here is starting to get what we call oversold and starts to push back up a little bit of a green? So that means the last few trading days we've been on the lookout for long side trade. In fact, I sent a signal to our students telling them to start to get long the euro. Look, it's nearly going to hit our profit target of 102.89. That's nearly a couple of hundred pips in a few days, guys. So just by reading the bigger time frame, here was another one from last night. This is the pound Canadian dollar on the daily chart. Would you say that that has had a beautiful trend down? Would you say that the momentum on the storyteller is turning green? You would, yeah? So would you say it may be, as a trader, I can generate some income in 2 days in this market if I go down to a smaller time frame, get the buy signal with a green and start to look for profit targets in our systems. All right, so you can see here what we do at Trading College. We are not spending forever teaching people how to trade. We do hold your hand for the whole year, but we want you to learn quickly. We want you to be able to generate profits quickly. New Zealand CAD, another one from last night's Scan Club. Look, let's just walk through it. So I would say that was a big momentum move to the downside. Beautiful profit. Now a new red. So shorts all the way down. But look, would you say that that's starting to turn up green? Yeah, and the green from the red pointing down to now the green pointing down means the market price is shifting to go up. So I've been long this, I've banked profits this morning. Our students were doing this last night and this morning, so they're profitable as well. But we're keeping it simple. We're not trying to throw fundamental news on top of this. We're not trying to throw people's opinions outside of what we're using here. So we're just trying to keep it as simple as possible. Let's look at one that could be developing right now. Let's look at gold. Let's go to gold. Now gold's been in a brilliant downtrend. Would you say that these were great shorting opportunities? Some small moves and then a great big profitable shorting trade. But what about the storyteller here? It's starting to give us a little bit of a heads up that we might shift for a few days, maybe a week, to the upside, maybe 1750, maybe 1800 again. Now gold's been in a big trend, so we're looking for a momentum shift here as it shifts from red down to up. But what we could do, as I showed you on those previous charts, that we can look for buy green signals. Okay, and we're getting one today. So let's see how that pans out. Okay, let's take a little look at another one. Let's take a little look at the German DAX, because this is one of the most popular day trading markets out there. And would you say, I know I keep saying would you say, but I'm trying to sort of show you, would you be looking to short that market? Yep, we've been short the DAX. Now look at it starting to turn up a little bit here. The momentum's gone from down to sort of turning up. Those histograms are getting stronger and we're getting some green buy signals here. So we might push up into these areas here, but we might not. So that's why then we go down to our day trading charts, the 1 hour time frame. It's just been long side trades, and today we got a green buy signal at 9 AM and it's up nearly 100 points. By using the bigger time frames, I know what it's like to learn how to trade. I've been trading for nearly 20 odd years, and guys, it can be very frustrating for people. You lose confidence, but you've got to keep it simple. Simplicity is the secret for trading, alongside risk management and managing trades, of course, and we teach you all that. So there's some markets where you can really just see the momentum shifting and keeping it really simple. And if you look at stocks like Tesla and Apple and things like that at the moment as well, and some FTSE 100 stocks, momentums are shifting, and we're on the lookout for those every day. And you could do the same thing by using our tools here to trade the colors, and that's what we're doing. We're making it simple for you. So there's some of the trades that we took today. We do a scan club every Monday evening at 7 p.m, and those pound Canadian dollars were the ones, and the New Zealand CAD, which was an absolute beautiful trade. I'll show you this New Zealand CAD again. This was a lovely buy signal. Look at the momentum shifting from down to up here, slightly up. You go down to the smaller time frame, you place your orders. There's your new buy signal this morning. There's your new buy signal there. There's your 4 hourly buy signal. We've reached profit targets. If you really want to go down to 5 minute and go scalping, there's your buy signals all today. All right, guys. Keep it simple. It doesn't have to be a long, drawn-out process learning how to trade. I find that very, very boring indeed. We want to get you results as quick as possible. And if you implement the momentum stuff that we do here, it becomes a little bit easier for everyone to go ahead and get profitable as quick as possible. Take care. Bye-bye now.